Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Honda CRV engine air filter. First, open your hood and locate the large black air filter housing, usually on the passenger side. You'll need a screwdriver for some models. Make sure the engine is cool to the touch before you start working. This ensures safety and prevents burns. Now, let's open the housing. You'll typically find 2 to 4 metal clips holding the cover down. Unclip these. Some Honda CRV models might also have a few screws to remove. Gently lift the top half of the airbox. Be mindful of any attached hoses or wires and avoid pulling them too hard. With the housing open, carefully pull out the old, dirty air filter. Take note of its orientation. Now, insert your new, clean engine air filter into the housing. Make sure it sits perfectly flat and that the rubber seal around its edge is fully seated. A proper seal is crucial for effective filtration. Finally, carefully lower the top of the air filter housing back into position. Reattach all the clips and tighten any screws you removed earlier. Double-check that everything is secure. Replacing your engine air filter regularly, perhaps every 15,000 miles, helps your Honda CRV breathe better, improving performance and fuel efficiency.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.